This video will help you to generate random numbers. You will find the key steps on the screen and I will demonstrate them live. Start by choosing the Calculate app from the home screen. Let's start with random integers. You can specify the start and end point for your random numbers. For example, to generate a random integer between 0 and 10, press Catalogue, then choose Probability. Scroll down one screen and choose Random Integer. Now enter the start number 0, a comma which is shift close bracket, and the end number 10. Close your bracket. Press the execute key to generate the random number. The calculator displays a random integer between 0 and 10. My random number is 1. Yours is likely to be different to mine because it is a random number. You can generate more random integers by pressing the execute key repeatedly. You can change the start and end points of the range by editing the calculation. Press the left scroll key and scroll to the value you wish to change. For example, I will change the end value to 100. Now press the execute key to generate your new random numbers. You can also generate random decimals between 0 and 1. From Catalogue, choose Probability as before, scroll down one screen and this time choose Random Number. Press Shift Execute to generate a random decimal between 0 and 1. Pressing the Shift key before the Execute key displays the random number as a decimal rather than a fraction. You can generate more random decimals in the same way as before by pressing Shift and the Execute key repeatedly. I hope that this is useful for you in generating random numbers.